Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will conducting the topic from Engineering Mathematics 3, Unit number 5, Vector Integration. In this lecture, we study line integration. First we see what is the line integration. The integral, any integral which is evaluated along a curve is called line integral. We find the line integral, that is, we can calculate the value of length of the curve or length of any curve. Here, this line integral are useful in the calculation of work done by variable forces. We consider any forces, either magnetic field, electrical field, or any other. We consider for finding the line integral, let f bar of xy be a vector point function defined in certain region of the space C. C is the some smooth continuous curve in the region in this region. Then a line integral is calculated by using the formula integration f bar dot dr bar over C. If here we given the value of f bar is f1i bar plus f2j bar plus f3k bar, and here we know value of dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar plus dzk bar. Then if here we find the value of f bar dot dr bar, then here we got the value f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Then by using this, we can calculate the value of line integral as line integral over C f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Now, by using this line integral, we can calculate the value of work done. Here, we can calculate work done by force F bar. We know work done is equal to force into displacement, and we can calculate this work done by using the same formula as line integral. That is, we can use line integral to find the value of work done. Work done is equal to the line integral f bar dot dr bar. Now we see some basics to calculate the integration. Here, for evaluation of single integral over the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, we can use x is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to a sin theta, and here theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Also, if x equal to a cos theta, then dx is minus a sin theta d theta. If y is equal to a sin theta, then dy is equal to a cos theta d theta. Similarly, for the evaluation of single integral over the ellipse, ellipse is x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. For this, we substitute x is equal to a cos theta, then dx is minus a sin theta d theta. Y is equal to b sin theta, then dy is equal to b cos theta d theta, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Next, if f bar is a vector field, this vector field is said to be conservative if the line integral over the closed curve f bar dot dr bar is equal to 0. This integration, this denote the value of line integral over the closed curve. Here in all, we only consider the integration over C. In this case, this curve is not closed curve, but if the curve of this type, the closed curve, then we can write this line integral as integration over the closed curve f bar dot dr bar. Now, by using this line integral, we can calculate the value of integration of the curves, either closed curve or the open curve, that is either ellipse, line, or the region in between this. We see some examples of these types. We see first example, evaluation of line integral by using the formula. First example, if f bar is equal to 3xy I bar minus y square j bar, evaluate line integral over C f bar dot dr bar, where C is the arc of the parabola y is equal to 2x square from 0 0 to 1 2. Now by using line integral we can calculate the value of integration. For finding this, here we given f bar and we given the arc of the parabola y is equal to 2x square from 0 0 to 1. First we draw the figure. Here y is equal to 2x square is the equation of parabola. Here this parabola. Y is equal to 2x square. This denotes the equation of parabola. Here if you draw the curve, this is symmetric about y-axis. That is the shape of the curve on the upper side of the x-axis, and we can choose the curve from 0 0 to 1 2. Here we take this 0 0 to the 1 2. Now from the given we can calculate the value of line integration. Here given that y is equal to 2x square, this implies dy is equal to 4x dx and x square is from 0 to 1. Now we can calculate the value of f bar dot dr bar. Here we given f bar is 3xy I bar minus y square j bar, and here we know the value of dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Therefore, here we got value of f bar dot dr bar is 3xy dx plus in bracket minus y square into dy. That is the value is 3xy dx plus minus y square into dy. Now substitute the value y is equal to 2x square, we get dy is equal to 4x dx. Substitute value here and we can reduce all these in the single variable either in terms of x or in terms of y. Remember here for evaluation of line integral always we write all the variables in the single variable. Either x, y, z, we can write this x, y, z in terms of variable t, or if two variables or three variables x, y, z, we can convert this into either in terms of x, in terms of y, or in terms of z, and then we can calculate the value of integration. Now here we can reduce all these in terms of x. For this we substitute the value of y is 2x square. If we substitute the value, then here we got f bar dot dr bar is equal to 3x in bracket 2x square into dx plus in bracket minus 2x square whole square into 4x dx. Substitute the values. Simplify, we got the value 6x cube minus 16x raised to 5 into dx. Now substitute the value in the given integration. We got the value of line integral. Here we got line integral f bar dot dr bar over the c is equal to the integration over c. Here value of f bar dot dr bar is 6x cube minus 16x raised to 5 dx. Now here we can put the limits. Here x varies from 0 to 1. This is given. This is given in the example. X varies from 0 to 1. Therefore, we substitute the limits from 0 to 1. Therefore, here we got limits from 0 to 1, 6x cube minus 16x raised to 5 into dx. Now take the integration. Integration of x cube is x raised to 4 divided by 4. And the integration of x raised to 5 is x raised to 6 divided by 6. Put limits from 0 to 1. If we put the limits from 0 to 1, then we got the value of integration. If we can calculate the value, then we got 6 upon 4 minus 16 upon 6 is the value of integration. Now similarly, we see the next example by using this line integration. We see the example of work done by using line integration. Find the work done in moving a particle once around ellipse x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1 in plane z is equal to 0, where f bar is equal to 3x minus 2y I bar plus 2x plus 8y into j bar plus y square into k bar, and also check is the field is conservative. Now first we find the work done in moving a particle once around the ellipse. Now here we given particles moving around the ellipse. If ellipse is there, for evaluation of single integral, we take the substitution. For this, we write in the note substitution for ellipse. X is equal to a cos theta, y is equal to b sin theta, and theta varies from 0 to 2 pi. Therefore, we take substitution to solve this example. Now consider first we given f bar. This is given in the example. Now by using this we can calculate work done, that is we find line integral f bar dot dr bar over c. We substitute the value of f bar dot dr bar is f1 dx plus f2 dy plus f3 dz. Substitute the value of f1 3x minus 2y, f2 is 2x plus 8y, and f3 is y square. Now equation of ellipse, x square upon 16 plus y square upon 9 is equal to 1. Here a is equal to 4 because x square upon 16, that is x square upon a square. 16 is the 4 square, that is a equal to 4 plus y square upon b square. Here b square equal to 9, that is b equal to 3. Therefore here we got a is equal to 4 and b is equal to 3 for the ellipse. Therefore we take the substitution. X is equal to 4 cos theta, y is equal to 3 sin theta. If we take this substitution, we got the value of dx is minus 4 sin theta d theta, and we got value of dy is 3 cos theta d theta. Here we given equation of ellipse. Here we got z is 0, or for this ellipse is in xy plane, therefore z equal to 0. If z equal to 0, then dz also is equal to 0. Therefore we got only first two terms. Substitute the values in the given f bar dot dr bar. Therefore here we got integration from 0 to 2 pi. We can substitute here values. x minus 2y. Substitute here value of x and y. We got 12 cos theta minus 6 sin theta into dx. Value of dx is minus 4 sin theta d theta. Next is 2x plus 8y. Value of this, here we got 4 cos theta plus 24 sin theta into dy. Value of dy is 3 cos theta d theta. Substitute here. Here value of dz and value of term into dz, but dz is 0, therefore you got the term is equal to 0. Now you can calculate the value of integration. Simplify this. Integration from 0 to 2 pi minus 48 cos theta sin theta plus 24 sin square theta plus 24 cos square theta plus 24 into 3 cos theta sin theta into d theta. Now here in second and third term, 24 into sin theta and 24 into cos theta. If we take 24 common, then we got sin square plus cos square is 1. Therefore here we got first term 24 into 1. Now the second term is here 24 into 3 minus 48. Here we got 24 into sine theta cos theta. Now we can calculate the value. 24 into the integration with respect to theta is theta and put limits from 0 to 2 pi plus 24 into integral from 0 to 2 pi sine theta cos theta d theta. Now we can calculate the value of this integral sine theta cos theta. For this we multiplying and dividing by 2. If we multiplying and dividing by 2, then here we got sine 2 theta and 24 divided by 2. Now here sine 2 theta, find the integration of sine 2 theta, that is we can calculate the value of I, or directly we can use the formula, reduction formula, to calculate the integration. Here first term we got 48 pi plus I and the value of I we got 0. If we take sine 2 theta, integration of sine 2 theta is minus cos 2 theta divided by 2. Put the limits from 0 to 2 pi. Then here we got value of cos 2 pi is 1 and value of cos 0 is also 1. And here upper limit minus lower limit, we got the value of integration is 0. Therefore here we got I equal to 0. Therefore the value of integration of f bar dot dr bar over c is equal to 48 pi. Here the value of integration of line integral over the ellipse. Ellipse is the closed curve. Here value of this we got 48 pi. This is not equal to 0. Therefore the given vector field is not conservative. In this way, we can calculate the value of line integral and the work done by using the line integral, also by using the substitution for circle, ellipse. We got the solution for the line integration. Thank you for watching the video.